Hey, and welcome back. So this is our little runaround daily driver. I'm gonna be getting rid of it soon. We're gonna upgrade to something a little bit nicer, but we honestly love this car. But I'm gonna give it a quick wash and a quick paint correction. So before I give you the rundown, don't forget to like and subscribe because every penny I get from this channel will be going into cars once I get monetized. So this is a 2016 Prius, nothing special, 180,000 kilometers or so, over 100,000 miles. It's 110, 120,000 miles. And you can see it's pretty dull, the paint. You know, when you wash it, it doesn't come up clear. There's a lot of stone chips. I don't know if it'll come out. Of course, even on the hood, there's been some chips that have been terribly repaired or filled at some point. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a wash and a detail, and I'll show you the products now in a second, just to get this thing ready to sell. And I will be replacing this with another hybrid Toyota product also, but I'm gonna wait to reveal that. Actually, I don't even have it yet, but I know what I want, and I'll get it at some point. So I will start with the foam bath using the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. Almost out of soap there, but it seems to last a long time and go a long way. And of course, the Active 2.0 pressure washer. Right after that, I will be using a clay bar. I'm just gonna use a Chemical Guys clay bar, the correcting cream from Griot's Garage with that pad there, the orange or yellow pad, whatever it is. Complete polish right after that. Again, Griot's Garage. And the Hybrid Solution ceramic spray coating from Turtle Wax. I used this on another car. I actually haven't driven the car as much, so I don't know how it lasts, but on this one I'll see, because I'll still have this car for probably another month. All right, let's get this thing clean. Okay, so here is 90% finished. I didn't get to the final buffing or polish. I did the correction cream, but I didn't do the polishing or that Turtle Wax ceramic spray coating. But that's just for the finishing touches. So here it is, 90% done after the correction cream. And of course the front bumper, still got lots of stone chips, but it's a lot shinier. It's kind of like a satin sheen now, as opposed to just that stone washed dull finish. Looks a lot better. Here's the other side. Actually, I'll show you one piece here that I missed. You can see the difference. You can see it down there. It's a lot whiter and washed out. It's one of the places I missed. see the rest of this video after the final ceramic coating or spray coating. Maybe not, but if I don't get it on this video, let me know what you guys think in the comments. It took me about 2 hours so far, so about 2.5 total, and of course that doesn't include interior. And don't forget, yeah, give me a like and subscribe there, and I'll keep these videos coming, get this channel monetized, and spend every penny I got on these cars. Not on this one, but the next one, and the one after that, and whatever else, you know what I mean.